removing roots under brick pavers. In this pathway, you can see some of the bricks are being pushed up from roots underneath them. Like this one here. So what I used was a blade to get in between the brick to lift it straight up. I'm using a drywall blade. It's what I had lying around. Then I'm using a reciprocating saw, a Ryobi cordless electric. But you could use any garden saw. Just follow the line of the bricks to cut right through. Now when I was using the saw, my IWatch was telling me that the noise level was high. It was reading 90 decibels. But it does a great job of cutting it. Then you want to just fill it in with the dirt into the crevices. So when you cut the roots out, you dig some of the sand and dirt out to flatten it out. It's like a puzzle. You just piece the bricks right back in and make sure it's nice and flat. Then you push all the sand and dirt in between the crevices. I'm just using a screwdriver here. Then you can just sweep it into the crevices. This is a very easy job. You just have to be really patient. That's it. Just sweep it all in and it looks great.